Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope everyone's having a great day, and today I am sharing this cute little treat pouch. Now I've made one similar to this like long time ago, probably over a year ago, and it wasn't as tall and narrow. It was wider, and I believe I used it for a Christmas like hot cocoa treat pouch, and it was totally different but the same style. It has the little, I kind of call it a file folder style, the back part, but it's really a sweet little treat holder. And I have a M&Ms in here and in this one, and then I have a full-size Hershey in here. Even the Hershey's with almonds would fit in here. It's wide enough because it will expand a little bit wider. So I am using today, I'm going to make one in Seaside Spray today, and I'm using the press on stamp set for this. I'm loving this stamp set, and I've done other videos on, which I'll link in this video here, the other projects I've done with this. So this is what I'm using for that. And then, like I said, I'm going to use Seaside Spray to do this one because I didn't get a blue one in here, so I thought I would do one that is blue. So let's go ahead and get started with it. You need a piece that is 6.5 by 6 3/4, and then you are going to use the stitch shapes dies. So I'm using the oval, and then I'm using our layering ovals, and I'm using the scallop on that, and I've already cut those out, so we didn't have to do that because we're going to fussy cut the cup out in the little heart. So I thought I'd do this ahead of time to save some time. All right, and then you need some scrap for your cup and then your heart. So I didn't know if the heart would fit on the same piece of paper, so I grabbed a little, and this is just scrap that I had. So let's go ahead and stamp first, and then we'll color our little mug and stamp the little coffee sentiment in it. So I'm going to use Memento Black because I am using my Stampin' Blends for this. You can use your watercolor pencils. You can use, well, let's do our give thanks to a thanks. It says a cup of thanks. Let's see, can I fit that on this one? No, I'm gonna have to grab a little piece right here, and I think this is a 1/2 inch piece. It ends up being about a 1/2 inch. So let's just, I may have to, there we go, that one's fine. So I might as well do that while we have the Memento Black out. We're going to stamp with the Seaside Spray. We're going to stamp the word coffee on here. And I'm going to ink this whole thing up, but I'm going to use my little chamois here to wipe off where the heart is. Can you see that? And then on this side as well, because it won't fit across this whole piece where so the lines would overlap this, but it's okay if they did anyway because we're cutting this out. But I just made it easier for myself so I didn't have to fool with that. All right, I think I can get the heart here. This way I won't waste any more scrap that I have. And I think that's it, and we're going to go ahead and color it. So I am going to grab my Balmy Blue, or my Seaside Spray is what I need. I don't know, I got Balmy Blue. Balmy Blue is pretty close to this, so that's what I was thinking, Balmy Blue. So I'm going to use the dark first, and I'm just going to go across here, kind of shading it on one side. It's really simple. You know, I'm not a professional alcohol marker colorist, but, and I may even on this one, I may use a little bit of the light Night of Navy just to darken that a little bit more. So I like a little bit of that contrast. And then I'm going to go over that. Don't be afraid to mix colors in these blends, because it's really, really pretty when you start mixing some of the other colors. There, I like that one better. I think I'm going to use just a tad on our heart here. I'm just going to blend that. Make it a little bit darker. All right, that's all we're doing. Now we're going to go ahead and cut this out. It's very, very easy fussy cutting. It's all pretty much straight lines. And of course, I love fussy cutting. I know a lot of people do not like it. If you don't like it and you have a like a scanning cut, you can use that. But it's so simple. To me, it's very relaxing. Cut that a little closer. So look how cute it is. I love these little cups. They're so cute. And then we're going to just do this little heart here. I am using or leaving a little bit of white around the heart. All right, so we have everything done right there. And I'll save that other piece for another one. All right, so let's do our box. Now I need to bring my scoring tool up here. And we are going to score this on the 6 3/4 sides at 3/4 inches, and that is it. And then you're going to turn it to the 6 1/2 inch side, and you're going to score it at 1/2 and 3 1/2. And that's all your scoring. All right, so to cut this, I'm cutting on an angle here because this is our glue tab right here. And then I'm just going to cut right across to this side. And then I am going to use my corner rounder and round these corners. When you do this one, you have to close it because it doesn't want to round the corner if you're using the little Stampin' Up one. And then we are going to start stamping this. So we are going to stamp this. This is going to go back, so this is going to be our front right here. So this little tab will be to your left. Again, I'm going to grab the Seaside Spray and the little heart, and we are just going to start stamping it. And I'm just going to cover the whole thing. So I'm probably going to speed it up through this so you don't have to watch me stamp all these little hearts. Okay, so when you get to the little end here, you want to flip it around, and you're going to stamp these upside down. And I'll show you why, because that's going to fold up. All right, I'm going to use some of my Stampin' Seal Plus, and we are going to add it all the way down here. And then you're just going to fold it. And then we're going to fold this one up. So we're going to add the Stampin' Seal Plus here. And so then all the hearts are going the same way. All right, so there's our little pouch. Super, super easy. I'm going to use some of this shimmer ribbon. It's actually metallic ribbon, and it is in the Seaside Spray. So this is what I'm going to use to make my bow on this one. You see I used all different ribbons on the other one. I really like the white on there, so if you have any kind of Whisper white ribbon, it would be really cute. I think I'm going to pull this a little bit, so I don't want to waste so much ribbon. This ribbon's really pretty. And then we're going to cut these, trim these down here. Isn't that little shimmery ribbon pretty? It's so pretty. It just reminds me of the holidays, but it's really pretty. All right, so we're going to take our scallop and our stitched shape. Okay, you're going to, there we go. And we're going to put this one on here. And then I'm going to use dimensionals. So we're going to pop up the coffee cup on here. Oh, I just heard my stomach growl. I hope y'all didn't hear that. It is getting lunchtime though. And then we're going to put that heart right there. I'm going to use 2 more dimensionals on the back here. You can use 2 or 3. I used 3 last time. And then this goes on here. Ooh, I like the blue. I really like the blue. And then our sentiment. So what I'm going to do with the sentiment, and it ends up being like 1.5 by like about 2.5. And I'm just going to banner both ends on this. And then we're going to use 2 more dimensionals for this. There's so many uses for this. You can put the little coffee strips in here, or the tea bags, or it's really cute. All right, so there we have the Seaside Spray one. I keep wanting to say Balmy Blue because I have that on my mind, but so here is all of them. Aren't they sweet? I just love the colors, and oh my goodness, I can go crazy, keep making different colors of these. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at StampingWithAmore.com and shop for my blog. All right, everyone, have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.